friends, I'm Dr. Komal Gandhi and we are coming up with our most popular and impactful workshop, that is the Nutrition Guideline course. It is an online module and a lot of doctors have attended this course and have benefited immensely from it. It has helped them grow in their clinical practice and implement all the diet and nutrition tips along with homeopathy or Ayurveda or yoga and help patients heal better and faster. Okay. Now in this nutrition guideline course, I will be taking 6 sessions wherein I will try to cover all the important aspects of nutrition. The first session is on case taking in nutrition and reversal of type 2 diabetes with whole food plant-based diets or naturopathy. So here in the first session, I will explain to you how do you deal with a patient or a client coming to you for a nutrition session. So how do you do the case taking or how do you take the history, followed by the different kinds of diets that are trending, for instance, keto diet, paleo diet, GM diet, plant-based diets, vegan diets, etc., etc. And then we will talk in detail about naturopathy or whole food plant-based diets that can help in reversal of type 2 diabetes mellitus. I will be also explaining to you what do we mean by glycemic index, which foods have high glycemic index and which foods have low glycemic index. Also, I will try and talk about the healthy alternatives or substitutes that you can give your patient in terms of, if somebody is addicted to sugar, how do you give them healthier options and alternatives, and how can you chalk a diet plan for a diabetic patient. The second session is on holistic obesity management. Obesity can lead to a plethora of diseases and it is important that we treat and empower our patients with healthy lifestyles so that overweight and obesity problems are reduced. So here in this session, I will be teaching you how to calculate calories, calorie counting, the basics of it. I will also help you do it with your calculators online, right? Along with it, how do we have a holistic approach to obesity, which is the need of the hour? So a good diet plan, a healthy lifestyle, and how we can motivate and handhold our patients and how to make them mentally strong, have a good willpower so that they can execute all the advice that we have given them. I will be covering in this holistic obesity management session. The third session is the gut health session. Very, very important. A good gut health is extremely important and essential to live a fulfilling and proactive life. So in the gut health session, I will be talking about the gut microbiome, what are the foods that can improve the gut microbiome, probiotics. I will also be talking about diseases such as irritable bowel syndrome, what are the dietary advice that we can give them, or for inflammatory bowel diseases such as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease, the right kind of diet plans to be given to them, I will be covering in this session. I will also be talking about the good fat and the bad fat in the gut health session. I will be talking about cooking oils, which is a good cooking oil to use, and how much quantity of oil should one use for cooking, etc., etc. in the gut health session. The next topic is very, very close to my heart, that is women's health. So women form the backbone of each family and they take care of every person in the family but their own self at times. So here in this session, I will be covering all the different phases that a woman goes through and the right kind of diet during those phases, right from puberty to pregnancy to menopause, the right kind of diet and foods that she must eat. Besides this, I will also be covering diet plans for very, very common diseases that we see in women, such as rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, endometriosis, PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, hypothyroidism, etc. etc. The fifth session is on renal diseases, diet plans for chronic kidney disease, renal failure. I will be talking in detail what foods they can eat and what foods they must avoid and why. I will be covering in this session of the renal diet session. And last but not the least, I will be covering sports nutrition. Sports form an integral part of every child's life as well as adult life. And here in this session, I will be talking about the right kinds of foods that one must eat. So here in this session, I will be talking about the diet plans that we can give to marathon runners or cyclathons, people who attend cyclathons. When people go to the gym, many times we are often asked this question, doctor, what should we eat? You know, we've just started our gym workouts. Should we take these protein powders, yes or no? So all of this I will be covering in the sports nutrition section. And along with all the facts of nutrition, the right facts of nutrition, I will be sharing my cases and my experiences with you that will help you become a good practitioner and combine homeopathy with nutrition and give your patients and empower them with the right kind of diet plans. In the last nutrition guideline course, we've also had a few yoga instructors who have attended the course, and it has helped them immensely. They have been chalking out diet plans for their clients as well. So anybody who's practicing medicine and healing can attend this course. I will be covering clinical conditions as well, and I will be covering it in a simplified language, right? So I look forward to seeing you on the other side very soon. All the details are mentioned below. Definitely upgrade and enhance your nutrition knowledge as you step into the year 2024. It will help you immensely in your clinical practice. I'm Dr. Komal Gandhi, consulting homeopath, consulting nutritionist, and I will see you soon on the other side. Thank you.